So this is the start of our 10 days off. So just come out for a wee walk in the countryside. Just jumped in the car and drove for a wee while. So we're now doing a kind of nature trail walk. It's not very strenuous.
I don't know how long it is.
It's not that long. It takes about
couple of miles,
40 minutes I think. I don't think it takes very long. But it's lovely. Lots of people around today.
It's about 18 degrees today.
So far.
Yeah.
More till later.
So we're going to enjoy the walk. Get some steps in.
Not that very fast, I don't think, right enough, but anyway, so let's go.
We'll take you along. So this is the start of the trail. Follow that path down, it takes you down the trail. You've got a little monument up here. Let's see what this is. Robert Tom, 1774, 1847. Yeah, you said there was 5 walks here. Yep.
There's this trail. There's a hill, 2 hills that are strenuous. There's one round a reservoir. And there's a kind of another longer trail.
We're doing this, what do you call this one? A trail?
Yeah, it's like just a nature trail.
I think when that's where you go along, you've got to go down though, then you've got to climb back up the hill.
You'll see the steps later.
I've done this a few times before.
It's not that far from home, it's about half an hour drive or something.
This is the first time we've walked it this year. First time the weather's been
nice
quite good actually, yeah.
And we've not been working, because it has been nice, but we've been working.
That's right, it's start of the holidays.
That we're not in Disney.
The path up here is quite well maintained. You can see they've got it's a compacted trail, so it's not too boggy and wet.
That's because the weather's been dry.
This is, we're starting to head down now, down into sort of the valley. I think there's a small stream down the bottom here.
Yeah, if it's water in it.
Yeah. It should be.
Scotland's not known to be dry.
It might be dried up this time of year though.
It's all made out of wood and they've got wire and chicken wire, is that what they call it?
Yep, chicken wire.
On it. So you've got to watch because it can be a bit slidey. And when you're vlogging, there's a big drop off the end there, so you've got to be careful or you could end up doing yourself an injury. So we might not vlog at all if it's got a big drop on either side. Oh look, there's some sheep. Don't know if you can see them through the trees. They're running, see us. There's wee lambs about, but there's not any here.
Might come across them later. No, I've been up here in the winter.
No, because it's a big hill to go up and the cars wouldn't get up. We could drive to it because it's quite flat most of the way.
So that's us hit the bottom of the trail. We're now heading up.
1 kilometre.
1 kilometre done so far. And now we've got to start heading up the hill. This is when the heart rate will start to go up. Once we get to the top, there's some nice views at the top. This is the start of the climb. So I've got to go way up there. It's not too bad. Like I say, you get good views once you get up to the top. Even though the car park was busy, the trail's pretty much empty because, like I say, there's five trails up here. So the people are spread out quite a bit. So even though it's only the 19th of April, I can still feel quite a heat in that sun. I can actually feel my skin getting burnt slightly. And that's the trouble with this part of the walk. There's no shade here. So if it's a really hot day, you need to cover up.
Still got to go all the way up there. The path goes round that block and then all the way up to the top of the hill there.
Ah, we can manage that. Well, we can do that. So we're getting near the top now. As you can see behind me.
There's a view, it's a bit hazy.
Yeah. You can see for miles and miles. So we made it to the top eventually. It's quite a climb.
Was this a paraglider, see?
Up the hill. That is Dunrod Hill over there.
I think.
And I don't know if you can see, I'll try and point it out, it's hard to see with the sun. I think there's a paraglider roughly in that area. Just at the edge of the hill there.
I think it's either Dunrod or Corlick. Can't remember what the leaflet said.
I think we have actually climbed that hill.
Once.
We've done it once. It's quite a climb. So we've got just a wee seat here on top of the hill. You can see the farm over there. It's a working farm. So we've been out for about, been on the trail for about 40 minutes.
By the time we get here to get to the trail, so we've been out for about an hour and a half.
Yeah. Got our fresh air today, got our steps in.
Yep.
So we're getting fit for Florida.
What, in 3, 4, 5 years time?
So I don't know if I mentioned before, but there is a small fishery up here. So you can actually get a boat and go out on one of the reservoirs, do some fishing.
Or just sit round the side.
Yeah, just sit. They've actually got a small cafe there as well, separate from one I showed you earlier on. They do like burgers and stuff like that. You can also bring your bike up here, your mountain bike. There's plenty of trails for that. Plenty of walks. There's lots to do. No paragliders, you can't rent them though. I think that must be somebody's own. One thing I have noticed about today is there's been quite a lot of bugs and small insects flying about. However, one good thing is, which you'll know if you stay in Scotland, there's been no midges today, and you'll know what midges are if you stay in Scotland. They're vicious wee bugs. They usually come out in the summer in the wet, damp weather. We've not got them yet. It's too early in the season for them, I think.
Or it's too late. It's too early in the day. It's usually night time and it's coming dusk that they come out.
So we've not got them today, but we've got lots of other flying insects. So you need to maybe put a cream on, your insect cream.
If you get bitten easily, like me.
That's us finished up the small trail walk. We're now heading back to the car park. That's us back in the car now.
Too many flies.
I picked up a small leaflet which gives me some information about that nature trail. So that was the Shale Hill Nature Trail. 2.5 kilometres. They've got a ranger service, fantastic views, free car parking, I meant to say that. It doesn't cost you anything to park your car, so that's good. Small refreshments, it's a cafe, got picnic sites as well, and they've got an information centre. So,
we do educational talks as well, I think.
That's right, do it obviously if you stay local, you can book talks, go along at the weekend as well.
I think the local schools do it.
So I've just been reading this information leaflet. There's some interesting facts I never knew about it. It says to look out for some of the ancient oak trees on that nature trail we just done. Some are estimated, I don't know if this is true or not, it says estimated to be between 300 and 400 years old, some of the trees. And it says let's say the nature trail is about 2.5 kilometres, 1.5 miles long. It recommends you leave about 45 to 60 minutes to walk it. I think we've done it about 50 minutes. I think we've done it in about 50 minutes. Not too bad.